Welcome back, Riyad from Shemer Jewelers here, and today we're going to be talking about the Zenith Chronomaster Original Triple Calendar. So without further ado, let's get into it. 38mm stainless steel case strikes a perfect balance between classic elegance meets modern wearability, and the panda style dial is well executed with the triple calendar layout displaying the day, date and month, and plus the moon phase complication just adds a poetic touch of sophistication. All of this wrapped in vintage proportions that feel both timeless and contemporary. Now as for the movement, at the heart of the watch beats the Primero 3610 automatic movement, running at a high frequency of 36,000 vibrations an hour. Now this ensures smoother chronograph operation and exceptional accuracy over time, and with a 60-hour power reserve, it delivers both performance and reliability. With the case back, you'll find the Zenith signature column wheel, the meticulous finishing, and the iconic star rotor. So it's safe to say that this movement is not just built for precision, but also the admiration of watch enthusiasts and collectors alike. Now as for the wearing experience, the 38mm case feels near perfect, well proportioned, comfortable and effortlessly versatile. So whether paired with a tailored suit or a casual ensemble, it still maintains that understated sophistication that never feels out of place. So for my final thoughts, I'll just say this, is that some watches simply tell the time while others tell a story, and the Zenith Chronomaster Triple Calendar Original is one of the latter. Now this is a watch that's a predecessor to great timepieces such as the Chronomaster Sport, and yet it still stands on its own, bridging the past and present seamlessly. But I'm just curious, I want to know your thoughts, and feel free to leave it down in the comment section. And as always, you can find it here at Shemer Jewelers. And remember, stay in style, stay on top.